here on the job site here in Delta. My concrete part guys will coming over to dig the flooring so we can relocate the water line for the new sink and dishwasher. So we're here to do it today. So happy Remembrance Day in Canada, but here we are, we're gonna work and make some money. So the first thing I did, I laid out the cabinet side. So the one I'm doing is measuring where the island's gonna go, and then I'm gonna show it to the client if they want that layout. But I was base my measurement on the design layout that given to me by the designer. So we figuring it out where the concrete guy will cut the concrete cement, and then he's going to cut the concrete so we can relocate the water line and the drain pipe for the sink. And then another thing is we also doing the electrical outlet that gonna goes in there, so it gonna go together with the plumbing side. Yeah, so here is it guys, you can see it. Later on in a few minutes my concrete guy will coming to do the cutting on a concrete. It will be lots of work though, but is it what it is. So they're going to cut this concrete going this side, going to the island. The island will be here.
Dalawang ganito ko no? Yung boss na ano? Ayun. Wala ako dito eh. Parang